The collaboration tool is available in the Expert and Premium editions. It enables real-time collaboration between members of a project team, making sure that the shared information is up to date. In the Project Manager, all the projects are visible with links to the collaboration function. This marker enables to identify the status of the project. Here, it has been uploaded to the cloud and is ready to be shared. It has been shared with me, but it has not been downloaded on my PC yet. I have downloaded it to my device, but a modification has been made by one of the users. Once a project has been shared, the sender's email address is visible here. The project has been shared, and one user has made a modification. The name of the person who worked on and saved the project for the last time is displayed by moving your cursor over the synchronization status column. Here it has not been synchronized to the cloud and is available only on your PC. Before working on a shared project, make sure that the version available on your PC is synchronized with the version available on the cloud. The synchronization procedure is the same, whatever the project status is. Select the project, click on the Upload button. Once the synchronization project is completed, a green check mark is visible in the synchronization status column. There are two sharing options: individual sharing or sharing with a group of users. In both scenarios, rights can be assigned to the users. Select the relevant project and make sure it is synchronized with the green check mark. In other cases, you will need to synchronize the project again. Select the project and click on Share Project. In this window, you can share your project with a group. Select it and, if necessary, modify the user's access rights. Viewer means that the group members can only view the project. The editor is the default option. Group members can edit the project. Owner. Group members can edit and share the project. To share with users, enter their email address in the Invite People to this file field and select the associated rights. Viewer is the default option. User can only view the project, including costs and prices. Viewer, no price access, is another default option. The user can only view the project, excluding costs and prices. Editor, user can edit the project, including costs and prices. Editor, no price access. User can edit the project, excluding costs and prices. Owner offers the same functions as the editor and enables to share the project additionally. A notification email will be sent to the users once the project has been shared. This project will also be visible in the Project Manager. Final step for the users is to download the project click on Tools, Group Management. In this window, existing groups and their associated rights will be displayed, and new groups can be created. Enter the group name, the company name, the email addresses of the users, and their associated rights. Select the group that should be updated. The group management is available for administrators only. select the user and modify its role, assign or remove its access to the group. The deleted user will still be able to access the project on his computer, but will no longer receive any updates. The group creator cannot be deleted by another user. Click on Leave the group. Then click on General Settings. Click on Delete Group. The group will no longer have access to this project. However, the copies that have been made by the members on their own PC will still be available. If you click on the bin symbol, the links to the projects associated with a group will be deleted. This feature is available for members with administrator rights only.